Okay, don't really know what this is yet, but it's a little puzzle game. You can create more than 70 shapes. It's got magnets inside of it, and you can turn it into all different kinds of shapes there, I guess. So we're going to take this cube here out of the box and see if we can figure it out. Looks like they have like tons and tons of different ones. This happens to be the polar version. See how it says polar there? So, and it looks kind of like a snowscape scene on the top there, but let's open it up and see what it does. Okay, so we just took it out of the box here. Here's the box it was in, and it has this kind of polar design on it, but it says here, how do I get started? How do I open it? It can be opened at 2 of its 8 corners. Start at one of these corners by gently pulling it like a pistachio, then try to make this shape here to get started. Okay. And then to close it, use the outer pattern when it was closed, which is kind of this polar design here, I guess. So I don't know. We'll see if we can figure it out. So this one here may be one of the corners, because look at all these things come into it there. So we'll open that there. Oh, yep, see? Open that there like that. Oh, look at that. Haha. There's one. There's another shape, and there's all these magnets in there that hold these different pieces together and stuff. This is kind of cool, little shape shifter puzzle thing. Let's see. That's cool. There you go. That's just the magnets just pop open and closed, and just makes it go into all these different kinds of shapes and stuff. Huh. That would be kind of fun to just sit there and play with when you are just, you need a little fidget toy or something. That's really interesting.